Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 6th, and this is my pre-market analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, gold did end up continuing down pretty strong. And yet last week I was saying that that could be the end of a correction. But if you think something is in the end of a correction and it makes one, two, three waves up and then turns down really solid, then obviously it's not the end of a correction. So hopefully nobody got trapped in that. Now in hindsight, we can see that this whole move down is definitely a trend. In order to see what's going on, you definitely have to go up to the higher time frames because we actually have what I think is a perfect example of a one, two, three, four, and then I think we have a fifth wave extension. One, two, three, four, five. So one, two, three, four, and then fifth wave extension for the wave five. So this is either one gonna now make a correction to the last section up from here to here like this and then go back up, which I still think is most likely because the 161% never got hit right around the $3,275 area. I definitely think this is the most likely scenario, but there is a possibility that it turns into a much bigger correction, maybe makes a correction to the whole five ways up like this. Either way, I definitely think we're looking at some sort of a correction. It's just how big of a correction are we looking at? Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it's very, very obvious that this is a one, two, three. The wave three doesn't even have to be over yet either. It could drift down quite a bit more. Eventually, it's probably going to make a wave four, probably a wave five, and this is only going to be a wave A of likely one of those two versions of an ABC correction that I just showed on the daily time frame. So wave A, eventually we'll make a correction to the wave A, wave B, and then eventually back down for a wave C. So I would definitely be recommending shorts until you can identify the end of a wave A, and then if you identify the end of a wave A, you can start looking for logs for the correction to the wave A, which would be a wave B. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.